So this mobile which I'm going to tell you in this video is the best value for money mobile under 20,000 rupees if you're looking to buy a best performance oriented mobile and if you are a heavy gamer. So that is the Poco X3 Pro. So yeah, this is a best mobile at this price range of under 20,000 rupees. Because this mobile comes with a 6.67 inches of Full HD plus resolution IPS LCD display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And it also comes with this is the major important part of this mobile, that this mobile comes with the Qualcomm 860 7nm base processor. Yeah, it's a 4G processor, but 5G is a gimmick, I would say, this current time, because this mobile comes with a octa-core processor and it is a 2.96 GHz clock speed processor. Yeah, it's a better processor. And one more important thing, friends, the 100% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So if you subscribe to my channel, then I can get this mobile in hand, so I can make better videos for you. So hit the subscribe button. If you want a performance oriented mobile under 20,000 and it doesn't have a 5G, that doesn't mean it's a worst mobile. Yeah, 5G mobile is better if you want to buy a mobile for future use, like 3 to 4 years. If you don't want to change the mobile up to 3 to 4 years, then you can buy the 5G mobile, because 5G it needs at least 2 to 3 years in my opinion to establish the 5G network in India, overall India, not only just metropolitan cities. So yeah, this is the 4G mobile, and this is also a great mobile at this price. And when we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a decent amount of cameras. For quad cameras, this mobile comes with a 40 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of ultra wide and two depth and macro cameras. Let's forget those cameras. But these cameras, the main cameras, can shoot up to 4K 60 fps videos. So yeah, that's the biggest thing. And this mobile also comes with a 20 megapixels of front facing camera, and it can shoot up to 1080p 60 fps. Yes. And this mobile is the best value for money mobile. I'm saying this because it comes with a great processor, and it also comes with a bigger battery, which no other mobile can provide you at this price range, with this amount of huge battery with a better processor. And this mobile comes with a 5160 mAh of battery, and it also comes with a 33 watts of fast charge. So yeah, that is the biggest thing. And it can charge the mobile from 0 to 100 under 1 hour. So yeah, this is a better quality mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's body structure, this mobile comes with a glass front, obviously protected by a Victus, and this mobile comes with a metal frame, and it comes with a plastic bag. Plastic bag. And when we talk about the other features, this mobile comes with a 3.5mm jack and stereo speakers, which are needed for gamer. And this mobile also available in black, blue and bronze colors. I will list those colors in the description box down below. And this mobile price will start from will be under 20,000 rupees if you use some ICICI credit card, something like that. And if you can also get some 20,000 rupees at 2,000 rupees of extra discount, I think. And this mobile also comes with the Wi-Fi 6 features and Bluetooth 5.2 features. So yeah, that is the biggest things we can getting this in this mobile. And there are no skipping of the sensor. This mobile have all the sensors which a gamer needs. So this is the perfect gaming mobile if you are looking to buy a mobile under 20,000 for gaming. Because I'm saying this because it comes with two things mainly used for gamer. That is a bigger battery and great performance processor. So yeah, this mobile checks that two boxes. So I'm recommending this mobile to buy under 20,000 rupees if you are looking to buy a mobile for gaming under 20,000 rupees. So that's it for the video.